This war between United States, Israel, and Iran is the most significant war in the world history. It is the war against the modern colonization. It is the continuation of the Haitian Revolution of 223 years ago. And this war is the beginning of Armageddon. But before I explain this, let me begin my speech by saying this. It hurt me the same when an Iranian missile kills an Israeli civilian as when a Israeli missile kills an Iranian civilian. I say this with all my heart because I consider all human life sacred and no one should take it away. Now, let me explain why this war is the most significant. Haiti fought to free the world from slavery and colonization. And for the first time after 223 years, Iran is the only country in the world standing firm and fight against the biggest colonizer in our time. This war will lead us to Armageddon because it is not a simple war. It is the war that shows the world that human rights more powerful than nuclear weapon. Even if this war does not bring us directly to Armageddon, because there may be a period of peace in between, it is in this war that the world will find the motivation and power to begin the final stage of Armageddon. Now, let me speak to the Iranian people. As a Haitian, I openly declare that I support you in defending yourself, and I understand that you are defending freedom for many countries around the world. I share with you the same determination that Haitian people had when we fought to free the world from slavery. Our determination was simple: freedom or death. Freedom or death. Freedom or death. Every Iranian who dies today dies for freedom for the world, just as Haitian people did. Nevertheless, I want to give you some warning based on Haiti experience. First warning is, behind the scenes, you are alone in this fight. Many poor country or small country would truly want to support you, but they are oppressed by colonizing power. The powerful country that show limited cooperation with you are acting in their own interest. Whether you survive or not does not truly affect them. Warning 2. American politics never forgive or forget. They will pursue you until they can destroy your leadership and your way of thinking, as they did to Haitian politicians. Even 223 years later, Haiti is still being punished. They may use traitor from within your own country to achieve their goal. They will try to humiliate you more and more, divide you, and destroy your culture, your religion. Warning 3. The manipulation system of American politics is extremely powerful. The best way to deal with it is to maintain complete independence and stay always as far as possible from United States. I am waiting for the day when you will have your own nuclear weapon. That will mean respect and freedom. In fact, I would like every country in the world to have them so they can be a balance of power. To finish, I shock to see civilians all around the world staying quietly, only observing you fighting for them. Civilians in every country should be protesting publicly against this war, starting with Haitian people and continue to people of New Zealand, where I live now. But because of fear or indifference, they only watch and nothing more. The US will do everything possible to reduce the importance of this war. They will try to silence you and make you disappear from the world stage. Oh, I hope you will be able to face all the challenges ahead. In the name of Dessalines, Simon Bolivar, and all those who fought for freedom in the world. In the name of freedom, let our voice be heard again. Freedom or death. Freedom or death. Freedom or death.